Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are discussing previous year questions. As part of that series, I am here to discuss some other previous year questions. Now, let's see the 23rd question. What is the 23rd question? Yes. Solve the following system of equations algebraically. So here 37x plus 63y is equals to 137. 63x plus 37y is equals to 163. So if you observe these two equations, the coefficients of x and y are interchanged. Here the coefficient of x is 37 and here the coefficient of y is 63. Now here the coefficient of x is 63 and here the coefficient of y is 37. Here the coefficients are interchanged. Let's try to solve it. So this is a special case. It is not like other questions. So it is a special case. Let's see. So what are the given equations? So 37x plus 63y is equals to 137. So let this equation 1. Next 63x plus 37y is equals to 163. So let this equation 2. So as I told, when the coefficients of x and y are interchanged, the shortcut to solve this one is, first of all, we have to add these equations once and subtract these equations once. So let's first of all add equations 1 and 2. Add equations 1 and 2. So this is a special case when the coefficients of x and y are interchanged. Add these equations once, first of all. So 37x plus 63y is equals to 137. Under that we have to write 63x plus 37y is equals to 163. Let's add 37x plus 63x. So it will be equals to 40. So 100x plus 63y 37y. So it is equals to 100y is equals to 137 plus 163. It is equals to 300. So it is equals to 300. Now, so on the left side we can take 100 common. So from here and from here you can take 100 common. If you take 100 common, 100 of x plus y is equals to 300. If you send 100 right side, then we will get x plus y is equals to 300 by 100. Now it will be equals to 100 ones are 100 threes are. So x plus y is equals to 3. So let this equation 3. Now subtract equation 1 and 2. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Let's do this one. What we have to do? Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Equation 2 from equation 1. So what is equation 1? 37x plus 63y is equals to 137. 37x plus 63y is equals to 137. Next equation 2 is 63x plus 37y is equals to 163. So subtraction, right? Change the symbols. This is minus and this is minus, this is minus. Now add. After changing the signs of second equation, now add. So what do we get here? 37x minus 63y, it will be equals to 20, 23 plus 3, so 26 minus 26 minus 26x. Next here 63y minus 37y equals to plus 26y equals to 137 minus 163 is equals to minus 26, right? So left side we can take minus common. If you take minus 26 common, if you take minus 26 common, now we will have x here and here we will have y is equals to minus 26. Send this minus 26 to the right side. So if you send minus 26 to the right side, becomes x minus y is equals to minus 26 by minus 26. So minus minus cancel, 26 ones are 26 ones are now. So it will be equals to x minus y is equals to 1. So let this equation 4. Now add equation 3 and 4. What do we get? Add equation 3 and 4. Add equations 3 and 4. So what is equation 3? So the equation 3 is here, x plus y is equals to 3. X plus y is equals to 3. Under that write equation 4, x minus y is equals to 1. Now add x plus x, 2x. Here plus x minus, sorry, plus y minus y gets cancelled. Now it will be equals to 3 plus 1, 4. Now send to right side, becomes x is equals to 4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now what will be the x value? X value will be equals to 2. Now substitute this x value 2 in equation 1 or equation 2. So from equation 1, sorry, equation 3. So from what is equation 3 here? Equation 3 is x plus y is equals to 3. So here in place of x substitute 2. So 2 plus y is equals to 3. Send to right side. Now y is equals to 3 minus 2. So y is equals to 1. So therefore the solution is 1 comma 2. So therefore the solution is, so first x coordinate, right? X is 2 and y is 1. So 2 comma 1. So 2 comma 1 is the solution. Next see 26th question. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus ax minus b of any quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha plus 1, 3 beta plus 1. So alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, and we have to find one more polynomial with these as the zeros, 3 alpha plus 1 and 3 beta plus 1 as the zeros. So let's try to find it. So what is a given polynomial? So the given polynomial is p of x is equals to x square minus ax minus b. So let's compare this one with the general quadratic polynomial. What is a general quadratic polynomial? With x as the variable, ax square plus bx plus c. Right. If you compare, what do we get? Coefficient of x square here is 1. So here a value is 1. And coefficient of x, which is equals to here, it is minus. So b is equals to minus a. And constant term here is minus b. C is equals to minus b. Okay. Now we have to find a quadratic polynomial with the zeros. 3 alpha plus 1, 3 beta plus 1. So first of all, to find the quadratic polynomial with those zeros, now we have to find the sum of the zeros and the product of zeros, right? So first of all, let's find the sum of the zeros. So sum of the zeros means 3 alpha plus 1, this is the first zero, and 3 beta plus 1. So sum of the zeros is equals to, now if you add here 3 alpha plus 3 beta, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now here, so from here you can take 3 common. If you take 3 common, 3 times of alpha plus beta, so plus 2. Now what is this alpha plus beta? Sum of the zeros. 3 times of alpha plus beta is minus b by a plus 2. Sum of the zeros is equals to minus b by a. Here 3 times of minus minus, what is a b here? So here the b is minus a. So minus of minus a by a. A means coefficient of x. So here a value is 1. So here a value is 1. So therefore write 1 plus 2. So minus of, in place of b we have minus a. So therefore minus of minus a by a. So a value is 1. So now it is equals to, let's calculate, 3 into minus of minus a is plus a. So plus a by 1 is plus a only, plus 2. Now it is equals to 3a plus 2. So sum of the zeros, 3 alpha plus 1 plus 3 beta plus 1. Sum of the zeros is equals to 3a plus 2. Next let's find the product of zeros. So product of zeros means, second thing, 3 alpha plus 1 into 3 beta plus 1, some product of zeros. Let's multiply product of zeros. So first of all, 3 alpha into 3 beta, that will be equals to 9 alpha into beta, plus next 3 alpha into 1, 3 alpha, 3 alpha only. Next 1 into 3 beta. So 1 into 3 beta is 3 beta. Next 1 into 1 is 1. So it is 1. Now it is equals to 9 into alpha into beta, product of zeros, which is equals to c by a, plus from here and here we can take 3 common. So 3 times of alpha plus beta plus 1. So it is equals to 9 of c by a. Now plus 3 times of alpha plus beta, sum of zeros, minus b by a plus 1. Now apply the values of C, A, B. So 9 of, what is the C value? Here, C value is minus B value is minus A value is 1. So let's apply here. C value is minus B by A, right? So in place of C, we have to write minus B, and A value is 1 plus, so 3 times of minus, here A value, B value is minus A and by A, so A value is 1 plus 1. So 9 into minus B by A is minus B. So this minus B by A is minus B. 9 into minus B minus 9B. Next, here minus of minus A, here minus of minus A is plus A, so plus A into 3 plus 3A plus 1. So now this is equal to product of zeros. So let's find the quadratic polynomial with these things. So what is the formula to find the quadratic polynomial? P of x is equals to k of x square minus x of sum of the zeros, 3 alpha plus 1 plus 3 beta plus 1 plus product of zeros, 3 alpha plus 1 into 3 beta plus 1. Now, so k of x square minus x square minus x of, now sum of the zeros. What is the sum of the zeros here? We got 3a plus 2, right? So in place of that one we can write 3a plus 2. Next, product of zeros, in place of this one what do we got? Product of zeros, it is equal to this one. What is that? Minus 9b minus 9b plus 3a plus 1. So we can write it as k of, as the denominator, here we don't have any denominator except 1, right? So here denominator is 1. So if k value is 1, then this will be equals to x square minus of 3a plus 2 x minus 9b plus 3a plus 1. So this is the required quadratic polynomial if k value is 1. Here we don't have any denominator, here we don't have any denominator except 1. So if k value is 1, then this is the required quadratic polynomial that we need. So what is that one? X square minus of 3a plus 2 x minus 9b 3a plus 1. Here coefficient of x square is 1 and the coefficient of x is minus of 3a plus 2 and constant term is this one, this total. So this is the required quadratic polynomial. Next, see the 29th question. Two angles of a right angle triangle are other than 90 degrees are in the ratio 2:3. Express the given situation algebraically as a system of linear equations in two variables and hence solve it. So two angles other than 90 degrees in a right angle triangle are in the ratio 2 is to 3. So we have to express this situation as express the given situation algebraically as a system of linear equations in two variables and hence solve it. So we have to solve it also, right? Okay, let us take a right angle triangle. So what it is given, except 9 degrees, A, B, C. Let us name it as A, B, C. So here it is 90 degrees. Let the angle at A is X. So let the angle at C is Y. So what is the ratio of angle at A and angle at C? It is given that X is to Y, means angle at A is to angle at Y is equals to, so X is to Y is equals to 2 is to 3. Let, if you take highest common factor K, let X is equals to 2K and Y is equals to 3K. Right. So we know that sum of these angles is equals to 90 degrees because angle at B is 90 degrees. So angle at A plus angle at C should be equals to angle at A plus angle at C should be equals to 90 degrees. Angle at A plus angle at C equals to 90 degrees. So angle at A is how much? X plus Y is equals to angle at C is Y is equals to 90 degrees. Right. So we know that here X value is 2K, X is 2K and Y is equals to 2K. So let's substitute X value 2K and Y value 3K. So X value is 2K plus Y value is 3K equals to 90 degrees. So send, 2K plus 3K, it is 5K equals to 90. Send K right side, 5 right side, K is equals to 90 by 5. Cancellation is possible. Let's try to cancel with 5 table. 5 ones are 5. Here 5 ones are 5. Remainder 4. 4 and 0 40. 5 eights are 40. Now K value is 18. So the what is that? The highest common factor is 18. Now if that K is 18, now what is the value of X? X is 2K, right? 2K. Now substitute K value 18. 2 into 18. So X is equals to 36 degrees. Y is equals to 3K, right? So 3 into 18. So it is equals to 54 degrees. So this is the solution for the given problem.